Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update TikTok and verify your device language matches the clip language. Once done, open settings in TikTok and navigate to accessibility text-to-speech options. Make sure the TTS toggle is enabled and the preferred voice is selected. This prevents language mismatches. Next, clear the app cache or force stop TikTok, then relaunch. These initial steps remove stale data and align voice settings with content, so the rest of the fixes apply cleanly and predictably. You now tackle the deeper causes. Inspect the clip's language tag and captions because TTS selects voice by content language. If speech sounds wrong, switch between available voices. This forces the TTS engine to reload language packs. Use a short 5-10 second test clip to confirm. If TTS still fails, sign out and back in, then reinstall TikTok to refresh permissions and dependencies. Make sure your OS speech services are enabled, since TikTok relies on them for some voices and regional options. Finish by validating results. Create a private test video, add text, apply text-to-speech, and listen through headphones and speakers. If audio is missing or robotic, toggle network connections. Wi-Fi sometimes fetches voices better than mobile data, and restart the device. As a key troubleshooting tip, record device logs or screenshots and contact TikTok support if problems persist. Provide app version, OS version, and exact steps. This helps engineers reproduce the bug and speeds a permanent fix while you use a temporary voice switch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.